Hello guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another unboxing and setup video. Today I'm unboxing D-Link 300 Mbps router. This is a very basic. As you can see, it has a 2 router 5 dBi. I hope it covers 3 bed. As you can see, and quick installation guide and some paperwork, router itself, and one piece of Ethernet cable and power adapter. It is 2-pin Indian version, and here is the two antenna. It has 4 LAN port and WPS buttons and power input, nothing else. So here is the 3 indicator. One is power, and it is for internet connection, and it is for, I think, network signal. So let's go to setup. Unboxing is done, so I'm going to set up. And as you can see, D-Link has applications for Wi-Fi router, but this router doesn't work. So you need to go your browser like Chrome and type 192.168.0.1, then go. As you can see, here is a home page D-Link. In username, admin default, and login. Keep password box blank, and as you can see, here is a lot of options, but you need to go setups, and as you can see, setup, then you need to go next. As you can see, here is 4 different options, but I saw static IP because I have IP and subnet marks number. And then next, as you can see, here is IP address, subnet marks options. So fill up this box with your provided ISP provided number like this, as you can see. So I fill up this IP address. You can change your Wi-Fi name and security options. So type your password. When you change your name, then you need to reboot. Then router rebooted. So as you can see, here is some Wi-Fi name. Fahad is mine, and I changed it to my cousin name. Type your password. Connect. As you can see, it connected. Now you can enjoy your Wi-Fi. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if you like this, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.